This is the Loan Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to buy stocks on Etrade. First, you'll need to open an Etrade brokerage account. This process is quick and can be completed online in just a few minutes. You'll provide some basic personal information, including your social security number, and then link a bank account to fund your new investment account. It's a straightforward first step to begin your investing journey. Once your account is set up, it's time to research potential stocks. Etrade offers robust research tools, including detailed company profiles, financial statements, and expert analysis. Take your time to explore different companies, understand their performance, and align your choices with your personal investment strategy. This careful research helps you make informed decisions. Ready to buy? Head to the trading section on Etrade. You'll enter the ticker symbol for the stock you want to purchase and specify how many shares you'd like. Decide on your order type. A market order executes immediately at the current price, while a limit order lets you set a specific price you're willing to pay. Review your order carefully before submitting it. After buying stocks, it's important to monitor your investments. Etrade provides tools to track your portfolio's performance, view gains or losses, and access real-time market data. Stay informed about your holdings and consider setting up alerts for significant price movements. Regularly review your portfolio to ensure it still aligns with your long-term financial objectives.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.